Hey everyone. Well, it's June and there's plenty of family fun to be had. You can begin by checking out this new collection of free digital Thumb of the Purpose resources from Highlights at Home. Now, the theme of this new pack-up is Be the Best BFF, and it is in honor of National Best Friends Day. Friends, of course, are essential to a happy, healthy childhood, and learning to cultivate friendships is a primary way our kids grow in social emotional development. You'll find in this pack-up some resources to help you help your kids pause and reflect a little on what it means to be a good, true friend. Now, the characters in these online puzzles and stories are anthropomorphic animals, as they often are. Your kids may notice that the animal friends are all different, and perhaps that will create for you a teachable moment where you can talk to your kids about the qualities we look for in a friend. Qualities such as loyalty, positivity, kindness, compassion, shared interests. You can talk about how these are all inside jobs, and what a friend looks like on the outside doesn't matter. We also want kids to learn that good friendships need tending. They require attention and effort. We've included 2 ideas here of ways that your kids can put a little effort in their friendships by doing something special for a couple friends. One idea is to leave a surprise gift on the doorstep of a BFF. We suggest that you help your kids make some homemade brownies. Who wouldn't like that? Another idea is to suggest that your child create a virtual party, surprise party for a friend. They can come up with some awesome virtual party games using their creativity and imagination. And we haven't forgotten that Father's Day is right around the corner. From a Father's Day breakfast menu to decorating ideas your kids can take and run with, we've offered several suggestions for ways to make that day special. Because after all, our fathers and grandfathers are also our best buds. From all of us at Highlights, stay healthy and stay hopeful. We'll be back in a few days with more free resources. Take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.